What's going on, guys? I'm Trey, and this is a Common Advisor, and I want to get straight into this video. I don't want to make it long, and I know time is money. Um, if you're on this video, you're trying to figure out which platform that you want to advertise on, whether it be Facebook ads, Bing ads, YouTube. You're trying to figure out what you want to do and what's the best way to do it. And I want to tell you right now, if somebody's told you Facebook ad is the best platform to advertise on, especially when you're first starting, and for people that's been in here, and if you've been advertising on Facebook and you haven't made any money, I'm about to tell you why. And the reason why is because Facebook ads is a scam. Guys, I can't express this enough. Facebook ads are a scam. I'm gonna tell you exactly why, and I'm gonna break this down to you. When you see this, you're gonna be like, your mind gonna be blown. And I wish somebody would have told me this ahead of time. Just a recap on me. I'm an online marketer. I do have an online business. I do YouTube, as you can see. But along the way, I've been doing this for some time. And when I first started, I was just like you. If you were a beginner, I started drop shipping. That was the method that I made. If you don't know what drop shipping is, looking at my videos, and I have a video about making money online. And I talk about drop shipping, or you can just type it in. Go to YouTube and type it in, and you'll see exactly what it is. So what I did, I drop shipped, and I use Facebook ads to push my products. Right. I didn't make any money when I first did that. You know why? Because it was made that way so I wouldn't make any money so I can make somebody else rich. Somebody else was making money off of me by me doing that method. Let me explain what I mean. So let's go through the process. And for the newbies, this is the process that you're probably going through. For my people that's seasoned, you already know what I'm talking about. You want to start making money online. You look up these things. You come across something called drop shipping or affiliate marketing. You like, I want to get into that. You find a person that you see. They tell you about all these things, right? And they mention Facebook ads. And you're like, okay, you buy this course. Sometimes these courses are expensive. I know the course that I first bought, it was under $100, so I got a good deal. It was a great course, by the way. It was a super awesome course. But the person, he was preaching on Facebook ads. And I did everything, got my store set up. I ran my Facebook ad. I didn't make any money. I did everything he said. So what did I do? I was like, man, I'm lost. So then that person hit me with another video. I was on the fan page of your Facebook ads not working. Uh-oh. You see the cycle? So now he hits me with something else. Your Facebook ads not working, or this is the best way to be on Facebook ads. And I'm like, okay, yeah, my Facebook ads not working. What's going on? And I look in again, and guess what else? It's something to sell, something else to sell. And I could have bought back into it and be like, all right, so this is what I need to figure out my Facebook. It was a whole nother product. He could have made some more money off of me. Nothing against him. That's the business. And now I understand that, but the end of the day, that's why I have my channel. I want to be transparent. I want to give you the value that people are not giving. We got too many people that call themselves gurus out here that are scamming people. That's the money. The reason I say Facebook, let's talk about Facebook. Now, this is where Facebook comes into play. Excuse me, let me check something real quick. Okay. So this is where Facebook comes into play. Facebook made money off that whole cycle. How? Facebook made money when they advertised to you initially because they had to run Facebook ads to get your attention. You clicked onto it and you bought the course. Now that person in the course told you to run a Facebook ad. Now Facebook making more money from them. Now they're making money from you because you're running ads. Now you're running pointless ads, right? You go back to them, you buy the second course, they teach you how to run ads a better way, they give you the detail, they give you the real deal stuff now, and Facebook makes even more money, right? So Facebook just made so much money off of that cycle. Two people just made Facebook's money right there. Imagine millions of people doing this a day. Here's another reason I say Facebook is a scam. If you ever ran an ad on Facebook, and if you haven't, this is what's going to happen. You're going to have an option to target people. So I got 3 tabs pulled up, right? Each one of them say the same thing, and I'll explain why. I have how to make money online fast. Now, when I go to Facebook, and let's just be real, before I started doing online marketing, Facebook is a money making tool for me now. Before then, I was using it innocently for what it was for, and it was for connecting with my friends, my family, and uploading things that I wanted them to see. I was not going to Facebook and typing in how to make money online fast. And if I did, this is what was going to come up right here. Pages, This is all I did. That's all I did. I went straight to the search bar and I typed in how to make money online fast. This is what came up. Videos, there, blah, blah, blah. Why would I go here when I just can go to Bing, which normal people going to do? Go to Bing or Google and type in how to make money online. You see what I'm going right here? You see where I'm going? You even drop shipping. Let's say drop shipping. They say, hey, run Facebook ads for drop shipping. You don't do that with cold traffic. Cold traffic is somebody walking up to you in the mall and say, hey, this is my vape pen. Hey, here's a vape pen. Do you like it? Do you want one? If you do, I can sell this to you. You're going to be like, what? Like, who are you? That's cold traffic. That's what they're telling you to do. Go to Facebook, make this ad. They're not even telling you to make a video ad. They're just saying put a picture up of this item, right? And make some cool little emojis and a little thing, and people click on the buy. It does not work like that. Facebook is used for retargeting and retargeting only, in my opinion. My opinion, right? Because nobody is going to Facebook and putting in the search bar how to make money online or best vapes to buy. No, they're going to Bing and Google. They're even deeper. They're going to YouTube, and I'm talking about that in a minute. So to answer your first question, should you use Facebook ads when you're first starting off in affiliate marketing and drop shipping? No, you should not. I'm just be real with you. No. If you do, you better use video ads, because videos convert way better. Because when I'm scrolling through Facebook, let's say if this is a page, I'm not gonna go into my personal page, but if I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw your product, let's just say this was a product made money online, I'm scrolling right past it, like I can see it. And guess what? Facebook is gonna charge you because you made an impression on me. I saw it. It was fast, but I saw it. You see where I'm going right with this? I say do Bing. Research Bing and Google ads first. Now, because that's what I'm gonna go to first. If I want to know how to make money online, I'm going to type in, I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to open up my Chrome and type it in, right? And I got all these options. These look more reputable. And these are things I'm going to click on. And let's get even deeper. My best advice to you, if you want to advertise affiliate products, drop shipping products, you have a small business, get you a YouTube page, guys. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. In the whole wide world, next to Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. Guess who owns YouTube? Google. See what I'm saying? Why would you go to Facebook and make an ad here when you can make a whole video ad and get subscribers? These are people that actually like what you're talking about. You can pop up. If I make an ad on YouTube right now, right? If I make an ad on YouTube, it's not going to pop up on your screen. You know why? Because you're not subscribed to anything. You don't know me. Even if you did were my friend, even if you were my friend, I made an ad, it would still won't pop up. But if you subscribe to me on YouTube and you hit that notification bell, when I make a video, it's gonna pop up. I don't care what you're doing. You don't even have to be on your browser. It's gonna pop up in your notifications, right? So that's why I say YouTube is the best place to do it. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, anything. Get you a YouTube page. Talk about your product. Then make a relationship with people. Your conversion rate is going to skyrocket. It's going to skyrocket, guys. You can put affiliate links in the descriptions. You can do all kinds of stuff, and it's free. You're not paying money to do this. Actually, when you get good and you're consistent with it, people will pay you. YouTube will pay you. Google will pay you. So let's talk about, let me go back to Bing. So I just say all together, don't even use Facebook. Use Facebook for retargeting. Retargeting, what I mean, and I want to wrap this up, excuse me. Make an ad just like this one, Entrepreneur Life, Entrepreneur on Fire. I'm sorry, EntrepreneurOnFire.io, right? What they're doing right now, I'm pretty sure they figured this out. They know that I'm on this page. They know my analytics and all. They're gaining this from Bing. Bing is going to give them analytics and say, hey, Trey went to this page. That's when they go to Facebook and they make an ad to retarget me. Now, I'm warm traffic. I've seen this name before, connected to making $3,000 extra a week. What they would do is then go to Facebook, make an ad like that, target me, target people that visited this page. And I see that again, I'll be like, I've seen that before, and then I'll probably click on it. But you can bypass all of that by just creating a video on YouTube, learning how to rank, how to get your video up, how to increase your search volume. And that's, if you see this over here, this is called TubeBuddy. Like it's telling me, like, if I made a video and named it how to make money online fast, it wouldn't do well. It would be poor for my channel, because my channel is not that big just yet, you know. It's telling me that, but I could type in, I could play around with it and find something that give me a fair or a good rating, and then I can rank for it. I mean, people will see it, right? And that's the way you market. YouTube is the best way. Don't do Facebook ads, guys. Facebook is a scam. How they saying, like, when you do Facebook ads, they'll say when you do Facebook ads, they'll be like yeah, as a target, having to make money on it. They'll say, oh, over 50,000 people are going to see this. 50,000 people have searched this. Who's going to Facebook and searching how to make money online fast? I know it's not me. I'm going to Bing or Google. And then, you know, people tell you, hey, no, they're just pulling their information from Google and Bing. Okay, if they are pulling it from Google and Bing, then why not just go to Google and Bing and advertise there? Why even go to Facebook then? If that's the case, they're pulling their analytics from Google and Bing and YouTube. Why not just advertise in those places and bypass Facebook altogether? Use Facebook for what it's for retargeting, for reaching out to your people that's on Facebook. Like, I have a fan page for my people to notify them, like, hey, I just uploaded a video to YouTube, go check it out. But as far as me paying for advertisements and all that, why would I do that when I can do that on the place where they're getting their stuff from? The only good thing I can probably say as far as advertising is Facebook is, if you're trying to get your profile out there, you're trying to get a couple of people, like, because Facebook and Instagram are like connected. So if you're trying to get your Facebook page more likes and stuff like that, then you can like run an ad for that. You know, you can run an ad for that and get people to see it. But even then, man, it's so hard to get people to just, because all they're gonna see is a picture of you in a description, and they probably gonna bypass it. For people on YouTube all the time, and you learn how to use your keywords and rank up, that's how you get people to like your page. And from here, you can direct them to Facebook. You can direct them to things on Bing and Google. You can even get smart. I'm going to give you a super nugget. What you can do is make a good video on YouTube, rank it, and tell them, you know, if you want to know more about this, I got a link in the description below, and you can type this in Bing, and it'll be, let's say, entrepreneur on fire. They'll say, type in, they'll have this link. And when you put the link in, their ad is going to pop up and you'll see them. You'll be like, oh, this same page I looked at on YouTube. You're going to click right here, and there'll be the affiliate link or the drop shipping link, whatever it is. It all starts from YouTube. YouTube, guys. So I hope this answers your question, whether you're trying to figure out if you want to start online marketing. If you don't know exactly what you're doing, you don't know how to retarget, you don't know about pixels, and then if that sounds foreign to you, stay away from Facebook, because you will lose money and fast. You will lose it fast. Do something free like YouTube, or don't spend as much money and get more conversion with Bing or Google, right? If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm always dropping gems like this, you know, for my people that's trying to get out there and make money online. And, you know, just do it. Crush it. You got it. 2019 is your year. And until next time, man, hey, check out my other videos, and I'll see you later.